पुलिसी दुखलता असताना हांगा स्वता सेक्युरिटी आसा. सेक्युरिटी रातचे आपले काम बऱ्या भशेन करतात काय ना, काय दे नीड टू बी चेंज ऑर वेदर दे आर अकाउंटेबल टू द सोसायटी. कित्याक जवळ जवळ 7 जाण समज सेक्युरिटी रातचे असतात आणि तरी 4 जाण चोर 5 व्हिलान बसता जाल्यार खंय ना जाल्यार खंय प्रायमरीली यू फील दॅट द सेक्युरिटी मॉनिटरिंग वॉज लिटल ऑन अ लेप्स पार्ट ऑफ इट. Certain other issues of providing better facilities around the compound wall and have been discussed with the society. Highland Society बरोबर पयलींच्यान आमी तांचे issues continuously we have been talking to them and ensuring that they are given that sense of security. हे चडशे हांगा senior citizen रावता. ISP will have to take responsibility with his team, with the PI and his team to ensure that these areas are mapped, continuous patrolling is done. आणि ज्यांचे कॅरेक्टर समज सारको ना क्रिमिनल व्हेरिफिकेशन करून कोण आसा कोण रावना हे टेनन्सी व्हेरिफिकेशन तशें मेळटा तांकां एकट्याक म्हाका रिपोर्ट करून डिपोर्ट करचें पडटलें हांगाच्यान रादर दॅन गिविंग देम अ चान्स टू डू दिस टायप ऑफ इन्सिडेंट्स.
पोरवरी वाठारांत विलांनी चोरयेचो यत्न जावपी ही ह्या वर्साची 4थी घडणूक. पुलिसांनी कारवाय करून चोरांक भितर उडोवचे नाजाल्यार पुलीस स्टेशनार मोर्चा व्हरून रास्ता रोको करूंक आमी फाटीं नात अशी शिटकावणी थळाव्यांनी दिल्या.
3:45 in the morning, a gang of 5 people entered the complex and they broke into 7 houses into the Highland Villas complex in Porvorim and entered 7 villas, ransacked those houses and finally were chased out by a resident. The last villa they went to was chased out by the resident and they again jumped the fence and went out. This is the 4th such incident in the last 1 year.
And I hope the police will take action and no more robberies in this area. More patrolling, more forcefulness. That's the need of the hour. Okay? Otherwise, you will find a big mocha coming to the police station and we will stop the vehicles flowing over there. Do you all want that?
प्रुडंटा खातीर सौरव शिरोडकार.